it is. This is the street and also some key place. These lights are glow in the dark. I'll show you later. There is a pedestrian street with also my character and also some stoplights. And there's some humps and some cars. There is also a tree and a flowers here. This is my campsite area. This is where you camp. And this is my own campsite. So small. Now these are my characters. Complete characters.
So, tell them how many bands you have camper bands.
This is how many camper bands do I have. 1, 2, 3. 3. Also a trailer. There's also a tent.
Open mo.
So hard. There.
This one.
This?
Open the other side. Di ba sa other side yan open? Hindi. That's also a camper van.
Yeah. A beach camper van.
How about this one?
And also a camping site.
Camper van also.
Yeah. But not a beach.
These are the street lamps.
Yeah.
Okay.
They can glow in the dark.
And you have a stoplight. What else do you have?
Some bushes.
You have a pedestrian lane
Yeah, over here.
crossing. Then
Also-
speed limit.
Yeah.
You have trees, flowers. There's another lamppost. This is where you stargaze. That's your telescope.
Yeah.
Okay. So the camper van should be here.
Yeah. I'll show you the one with the glow in the dark.
There. So glow in the dark na yung lamp, no? What's the other one? This one. It's a glow in the dark.
Why in the video they are It's gone. Like in the morning.
That's RK's mini city.
And also there is another house here.
Lost house.
Yeah.
And this is RK's puppies. And the latest one, the roller skates with the key play.
Store.
Okay?
Bye bye.